in this video, so we've got a density question and we've got the mass given. So rock has a mass of 114 grams and its density is equal to 1.9. So it's grams per centimetres cubed. And we're asked to work out the volume of the rock. Now we're going to go with this formula. So dmv, okay? So density is equal to mass over volume. Volume is equal to mass over density. So we're going to go with that one. So volume is equal to mass divided by the density. So we're going to say V is equal to 114 divided by 1.9, which is equal to, 114 divided by 1.9 is equal to 60. And the units just go up with what's in the question, will be centimetres cubed. If you'd like more support with maths, my email is on screen. You're very welcome to get in touch.